Here is the continued script. You're rushing out the door and can't afford another delay. Every minute counts. And the last thing you need is a laggy TV making your morning routine even more chaotic. That's where the VIZIO 32-inch V comes in, delivering crystal clear visuals that will make every scene come to life with its full array of LED backlighting. This baby fixes the frustration of watching a low-resolution picture on an old TV. You won't find yourself squinting at the screen to see what's happening. The vivid colors and sharp details make it feel like you're right in the action, even when you're just sitting in your living room. And with its HD resolution, you can bet that every detail will be crystal clear. But the VIZIO 32-inch V isn't just about pretty pictures, it's also about seamless streaming. With Apple Airplay and Chromecast built-in, you can effortlessly share your favorite content from your devices directly to your TV. No more fiddling with remotes or searching for cables. Just pick what you want to watch, click play, and enjoy. And when it comes to staying connected, the VIZIO 32-inch V is on top of it. Wi-Fi 5 dual-band technology ensures faster and more reliable streaming, so you can binge-watch your favorite shows without interruptions. No more buffering or lag, just pure entertainment bliss. But what really sets the VIZIO 32-inch V apart is its free access to VIZIO Watch Free Plus. This means hundreds of channels and movies at your fingertips, all without subscription fees. Imagine having an endless library of content to choose from. It's like having your very own TV network built right in. And let's not forget about the audio experience. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can pair your smart TV with wireless headphones or speakers for a whole new level of sound quality. No more cluttered cords or low-quality audio, just pure, unadulterated bliss. But here's the part that actually surprised me. The VIZIO 32-inch V also comes with 4 built-in HDMI ports, so you can hook up your gaming console, streaming device, or any other device you need to connect. And with its USB port, you can easily charge your phone or tablet while watching your favorite shows. And did I mention it's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant? That means you can control your TV with just your voice, making it easy to find what you want to watch or adjust the settings without having to reach for the remote. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your TV. But what really gets me excited about this TV is its smart features. With its intuitive interface and customizable home screen, you can organize all your favorite shows and movies in one place. And with its voice control feature, you can ask it to recommend something new based on what you've watched before. It's like having a personal movie expert. In short, if you're tired of dealing with laggy TVs and mediocre streaming, the VIZIO 32-inch V is exactly what fixes that. So why wait? Check out the link below to get yours today. With its impressive features, sleek design, and affordable price tag, this TV is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment experience. And don't just take my word for it. Thousands of customers have already upgraded to the VIZIO 32-inch V, and they're loving every minute of it. From families who want to enjoy quality time together on the big screen, to gamers who need a fast and responsive gaming experience, this TV has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience the ultimate in home entertainment with the VIZIO 32-inch V. With its crystal clear visuals, seamless streaming, and smart features, it's the perfect addition to any living room. Trust me, once you see the difference for yourself, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.